In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell item on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your items, list them for sale with the right price, and track everything from the community market. Start by opening Steam and logging into your account, either in the desktop client or on the website. At the top right, click your profile name and choose Inventory. This is where all your game items live, including trading cards, cosmetic skins, and other marketable collectibles. If you play multiple games, you can switch between game inventories or use filters to make things easier to browse. Next, pick the item you want to sell. You can explore categories like trading cards or CS2 skins. Look for items marked as marketable. Those are the only ones you can list on the community market. When you click an item, you'll see details like its description and, for many items, a price graph showing recent sale prices and how many are currently listed. Use this information to gauge demand and choose something with a fair, competitive value. Rarity, condition, and recent trends can affect how quickly it sells. When you're ready, click Sell on the items page. You'll see a field labeled Buyer Pays. Enter the total amount you want the buyer to pay. Steam's fee is automatically calculated, and you'll see a second number showing what you'll receive after fees. As a tip, check the recent sales graph and the lowest current listings to price your item competitively. Undercutting slightly can help it sell faster, while rare items might justify a premium. Review the summary, confirm that the numbers look right, and click Put it up for sale. Depending on your account security settings, you may be prompted to confirm the listing, for example via Steam Guard. Just follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. To monitor your listings, go to the Community tab and select Market. Here, you'll find active listings you can edit, adjust prices on, or remove if you change your mind. You can also review your sales history to see what's sold and for how much. Once a buyer purchases your item and any required hold period passes, the proceeds will appear in your Steam wallet. Those funds are available to spend on games, DLC, or other market items on Steam. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching.